Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I missed last week's upload because it was my birthday. That's right, I am a Taurus baby. I finally made it into the late 20s club. Jesus. Anyways, that's not what we're talking about today. Today, I want to share with you my super honest review on period cup. And I did not bring my cup. Okay.
Get your shit together!
Ever since I made the last video on period underwear, I'll link the video up here. A lot of people have been asking me to review this, so here we go. Answering to all your needs and desire. If it weren't for you, I probably would never try it. Since I'm not a big tampon user, when I have to put something in there, it scares me a little, you know? Especially when it's a cup like this. It's big. It's like way bigger than tampons. Got Diva Cup and comes with a little pouch and the manual on how to use it. And first step, you are going to boil the cup in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Once that's done, you're going to fold the cup either this way, heart shape, or roll it up. Open your legs and just, get in there. And when you're taking this out, grab the stem and just feel the stem. Pinch the base a little bit so it unseals the suction, and then just pull it out. Wash it with unscented oil-free soap. So funny thing is, I actually got this from my March cycle. I tried using it, but it didn't go. It just didn't work. I don't know, like I was nervous. It was kind of towards the end of my cycle. It was kind of drier than usual. So I couldn't put it in. I was like, I'm gonna take a break from this. And then come April, I have to go into the office now, and I know my period on these is probably gonna leak because I'm on heavy flow. So the night before I have to go in, I was home and I decided to try to put it in, and I did it. Was it intimidating? 100% yes. If you are not comfortable using tampon, just tell you the truth straight up right now, it's gonna be hard. I think it took me like maybe 10 minutes struggling in the bathroom until I actually shoved that thing in. But once it's in, you can barely feel that it's there, which is really nice because I can just like move around, taking it out. That part really got me because again, I have to like put my finger in and like pull this thing down, and I don't know, like I feel like the flesh down there is just really different from other parts of your skin. It's really soft and like clammy, and I just don't like that feeling, that texture, not my thing. So the entire time I am trying to take it out, I'm just like constantly like, oh, I can't do this. Like I'm constantly just not like disgusted, because that's not the right word. Like I'm not disgusted by it. It's just I just can't. It's the texture, but it doesn't gross me out. It's just it makes me weak. Like I'm just like, oh, I can't. So after another 10 minutes of struggling, I finally took it out. Yeah, there's some blood in it. I just dump it out and like rinse it with fresh water. The next morning I put it back in again. So from now on, my period is probably gonna be looking like on light days, I'll wear my period undies, and during my heavy days, I'm gonna put this cup in and double protect it with period underwear. I will probably do another update in a month just to keep you guys posted, see if it's actually leak proof, and I hope it is, because I mean, it's like the most I can do. I don't know what else I can do to prevent leaking. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. You know what to do. And I'll catch you next week. Bye.